Hey guys, how are we doing today? I hope you guys are doing well. I'm starting off a new vlog tonight, Thursday night. And once you see me in this mirror looking like this, it means I'm heading on the road. So I'm just gonna meet my cousin just for some drinks. We're gonna go at Jangas, and they do have like I guess a new event called some I Love Hip Hop or something along that line. So we're just gonna go vibe, have drinks this Thursday night. It seems that I've been going out often again. That's not the case, okay? Anyways, we're gonna get into the fit. I'm wearing this cute hat that I got. Love it. My hair is just not too well right now, so I just figured let me just wear a hat. I want it like a new look, you know what I'm saying? So I got me a hat and I'm wearing this Shein skirt. It's a skirt, right? With a short and a thing and white top and my white MK bag. Like I haven't gone on an MK site in months. I haven't bought myself anything I went on Shein in this week because through the holidays and I should be going out, I just bought like 2 dresses, but separate and apart from that, the girls have not been buying anything. Like the budget has been so tight. It's crazy, but I miss me some MK. I don't want to go for MK site. MK always have sale every time. Like I always just go in the sale box and add the cart and then check out. But we're gonna get into that starting next year again. Like I really need they had some jeans bag and like a jeans sneakers. What they up on them side? Like I need to get it. I'm gonna even check if they still have it. But anyways, I'm trying to figure out what I'm gonna wear on my feet. But let's head out and I'll catch you guys once I'm there. The tree is almost done. I'm using the same ornament, same everything. I didn't buy anything additional this year because I just didn't see what I want and I didn't get any time to go to another store. But tonight, we definitely need a new star. If I go on the road tomorrow, I'm gonna see if I can get a star. But tonight we're gonna finish up the ornaments and turn it on and see how it looks. And this is what we're working on. We're not doing anything big, extravagant. Like I said, same tree from 2024. That's what we're working with. You guys are going to be so surprised as to where I am right now. I'm literally in KFC line. No, mom, I really want a barbecue ziga. Hence why I'm here again today, Friday, on a big Friday. It is 5:09. I ensure that I left out of my house before 6 o'clock. I said I'm gonna come 5 o'clock. By the way, I was on the road earlier, and after 3 o'clock, the line was kind of crazy. And secondly, I didn't even want my food so early. So I'm gonna say, all right, then I'm gonna come out by 5 o'clock for reach here. So the line not too bad. You don't reach outer road yet, but it's a good thing. So I ordered my barbecue zinger combo. So when it comes and I pay for it, I will update you guys. So let's hope I get what I ordered. Before I drive off, I'm gonna make sure open the zinger, ensure that it's barbecue in my burger. Anyways, I will update you guys when I get my food. Alright? Cheers to me on a Friday. I'm feeling very lucky today. Guys, I have literally been in the line from 5:05 and it's now 5:48. 5:49 right now. You see how long I've been in the line waiting for the zinger? Anyway, this is rare. Like the only time I go KFC with Tilda is when I really want the barbecue singer, literally. Yeah, so that's the only time I will actually wait. So it's very rare. Yeah, but anyways, oh, I did show you guys Christmas tree earlier, right? Yes, I need to go home. I'm gonna actually eat. I need to change my bedding and all of that. I won't show you guys that because I think I've showed y'all like bedding refresh like 2 times now. So it's Friday. I normally clean on Thursdays. I was supposed to change my bedding from last night, but I went out. Hold on. I was saying, yeah, and my bedding needs to be refreshed and all of that. So I'm just gonna get home, change my bedding, shower, and then eat that dinner and Netflix. I started watching a new Netflix series, but I didn't like it, and I don't remember what name, so obviously I don't like it. And then the Christmas tree, I'm gonna plug it in and see how it looks. Ooh, I'm so excited. I need to wipe the floors, but I kind of feel tired right now, but I'm not gonna wipe them because I'm like really hungry. I just want to go home, shower, and relax. So tomorrow I need to do cleaning. I haven't wiped the floors this week, so I don't normally clean my floors like twice per week for some reason, or at least once per week. So I haven't done it yet, so I'm gonna like do that right now. Anyways, we're about to pay shortly, so catch you guys when I'm at home. Y'all, I am home. Y'all don't understand the excitement of the dinner I'm about to have, the barbecuing up. Got it, ready to eat, and really just want to tell you because we get the barbecuing up. The food is secure. I'm starving right now, so I won't be able to shower before I eat, but I'm gonna eat, then shower, then, do our bedroom. Fix it up a bit. I just wipe out the entire house. I had to wipe it all. Like, I couldn't let it stay until tomorrow morning, to be honest, because I don't have plans for tomorrow morning, and I just want to stay in my bed till 12 o'clock. So I thought, just clean the place right now, innit? Anyways, we're gonna divulge in our dinner and just start some Netflix, find something to watch on Netflix until it's wind out time. Yeah. By the way, if the video quality looks different, I'm using the other phone, the iPhone 7 Plus, 8 Plus. Yeah, so the quality is kind of... But anyways, we'll chat. By the way, I was watching Empress a video. She did a Church's review and she had the barbecue sandwich and she said it was pretty good. And it's a little bit compared to KFC, but it's not KFC, so that's a good thing. So I'm probably, if I do a go on the road somewhere in the daytime, I'll probably grab that and try the barbecue thing. But then again, I'm watching what I eat, so the junk food back to back, I don't think it's gonna work, but let's see. Probably next week I can try Church's. But in the interim, yeah, follow Homegirl page. She's doing Vlogmas, so shout out to her. She's been keeping it up. So good girl. Like you and It's So Chef, I'm happy for you guys doing the Vlogmas. When I keep up with it and y'all sticking to what you said you're gonna do. So kudos to y'all. So I put their YouTube page. Y'all just follow them on the YouTube, subscribe to them, and then so tell them that Kerry sent you. Let them know that I sent you to their page. So yeah, give them some love.